So, were you aware that the price of Tesla shares might very well approach $10,000? Renowned investor Warren Buffett claims this. Do you wonder who he is? Keep watching and listening to learn more about him and the reasons behind his comments regarding the price of Tesla's stock. The values of investors are either incredibly high or incredibly low. Naturally, each of them is a result of the data and research that it has received. Since these are merely forecasts, it is impossible to determine for sure. Conversely, Tesla has undoubtedly been making every effort to hold on to its position as the market leader for electric vehicles, particularly in light of the fact that several rivals are now well on their way to catch up. You learn why Warren Buffett believes Tesla stock can hit $10,000 in today's video. Among the best growth stocks now accessible is Tesla. Due to the company's adoption of high-level business techniques, its stock prices are expected to grow more consistently and steadily in the future. Yet, Tesla's stock has seen numerous highs and lows, with more highs than lows. Even the most ardent Wall Street experts find it challenging to anticipate, much like other large business stocks. The top AV company has regularly exceeded Wall Street projections, demonstrating this. American philanthropist, investor, and business tycoon Warren Edward Buffett. He serves as the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, the parent company of over 60 businesses, including the restaurant chain Dairy Queen, the battery manufacturer Duracell, and the insurance Geico. As of June 2022, he ranked 5th in the world's wealthiest list and was one of the most successful investors in the world, with a net worth of over $113 billion. Buffett, who was born in Omaha in 1930, showed an early interest in investing in the business world, particularly the stock market. The American congressman's son, he filed his taxes for the first time at age 13 and purchased his first stock at age 11. He and Bill Gates established the Giving Pledge in 2010. Which calls on billionaires to pledge to give away at least half of their fortune to philanthropic organizations. One of the greatest investors of all time. Warren Buffett is referred to as the Oracle of Omaha. Buffett gave a hazy response when asked what he thought of Tesla and its contentious CEO, Elon Musk. He's done some remarkable things. Regarding the well-known EV manufacturer, Buffett added, Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors. While praising Musk as a great person in the past, Buffett has also said that he needs to be more cautious while tweeting and that he has space for improvement. Musk's contentious nature is well known, particularly in light of the way he interacts with his fans via Twitter. Some may even contend that Tesla's boss is mostly to blame for at least half of the brand's trends rather than the company itself. Musk, on the other hand, responded to a Twitter thread asserting that he was more valuable than Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. He chuckled, perhaps Warren Buffett should invest in Tesla. Musk said that he is not the biggest admirer of Buffett. In spite of this, he has criticized Buffett for being a benevolent grandfather figure and described managing money throughout Berkshire as a somewhat dull profession. Although it should be noted that Musk and Buffett had previously met, Buffett claimed to have had a face-to-face meeting with Musk following Musk's signing of the Giving Pledge a number of years prior. The Giving Pledge is a campaign that was started by Buffett and former Microsoft CEO Bill Gates with the goal of inspiring the richest people on the planet to give the bulk of their fortune to charitable organizations. I've only met him once or twice, but yeah, I've talked with him, but not for quite a while, Buffett replied. That said, it's clear that Buffett thinks highly of Elon and, by extension, thinks highly of Tesla's prospects for success in the not too distant future. Super Bowl caliber Tesla community member Warren Redlich published 2 models that forecast the movement of Tesla stocks. The robo-taxi model and the battery revenue model. The battery revenue model states that the revenue per gigawatt hour is equal to 30,000 cars minus 50 kW of battery and 600 kU of revenue. Tesla generates $600 billion each terawatt hour and plans to reach 6 terawatt hours by 2030 with a price to sales ratio of 5. That translates into revenue of almost $3 trillion. Its market value is $15 trillion based on the present price and excluding any potential share price splits. It may be calculated that the share price of Tesla stock is approaching or surpassing $10,000 per share. Regarding the robo-taxi concept, however, Redlich reported that Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated in a side note at the Autonomy Day presentation, we're going to have a Tesla-owned robo-taxi fleet of 10 million vehicles. Additionally, he said that every robo-taxi will turn a profit of $30,000 annually. That is a $30,000 profit for the individual owners of the car who operate it as a robotaxi, not for the fleet of robotaxi owned by Tesla. Redlich claims that if these figures hold true, 10 million cars will turn a profit of $30,000 annually. Redlich noted that these are both, in his opinion, understatements of the direction things are going. Assuming these figures once more, 10 million cars are earning $30 million annually equates to $300 in profit. When we fast forward to 2030, for instance, we see a price earnings ratio of 30, which is incredibly low when compared to a business that is growing at a similar rate. And this is also the case when all profits from the sale of cars are excluded. And the company is purportedly producing 20 million vehicles annually at this point. Consequently, a share price of $9,000 is equal to a price earnings ratio of 30 or a market capitalization of $9 trillion. That translates to a share price of $9,000 and a market capitalization of $9 trillion in today's currency. How much would you buy for a stock that in a few years will be worth $9,000? It is currently trading at about $700 per share, or $2,000 to $4,000 each stock. The robotaxi model is understated, and neither Tesla Energy nor Dojo as a service are included. Additionally, the battery revenue modeling is omitted. Redlich continued by saying that Tesla has enormous income potential. Do you think the price of Tesla shares will truly hit $10,000? Post your ideas in the space provided for comments below. Why would the price of Tesla shares increase? To start, Tesla is regarded as a pioneer in energy conservation. When it comes to electric cars and energy efficiency in general, Tesla Group is a true pioneer. The second is by means of several strategic alliances. Tesla frequently collaborates with other businesses, particularly in the energy and renewable energy industries, in order to have a global presence in this industry. Third, the top EV is incredibly inventive. Tesla constantly innovates to set itself apart from the competition and offer its customers the utmost in comfort, both in terms of engineering and vehicle design. Fourth, Tesla has a solid brand image in spite of its contentious leader. The public expects the company to generate profitable, sustainable energy goods, and the group benefits from a strong brand image. With time, the public has been won over by the corporation. Fifth, Tesla highlights upcoming innovations. Along with Tesla is drawing a lot of investors thanks to the advancement of autonomous and autopilot technologies for its cars, which could increase company profitability. Sixth, the business is dedicated to the ecological shift. Tesla is attracting customers who are becoming more conscious of the environment with its eco-friendly automobiles. Lastly, we have Tesla's battery division. Future advantages for Tesla could come from its proprietary battery manufacturing technology, which will lower costs of production and boost profitability. In reality, a large number of people are eagerly awaiting the establishment of the Tesla Gigafactory, which will serve to expedite the global shift to sustainable energy by producing increasingly reasonably priced electric cars and energy supplies. The building of the Tesla Giga Nevada was carried out. Located in Story County, Nevada, Tesla Giga Nevada, also known as Tesla Gigafactory, is a factory that produces lithium-ion batteries and electric vehicle components. It is anticipated to be the world's largest building powered entirely by renewable energy sources to reach net zero energy. The goal of this structure is to address Tesla's battery issue. With a projected area of more than 1.9 million square feet, the Gigafactory intends to increase manufacturing to 500,000 additional automobiles per year. Experts say that investing in Tesla stock as a medium to long-term strategy offers attractive possibilities. According to their estimates, the Tesla Group is predicted to grow strongly over the next few years, with solid earnings growth anticipated. Furthermore, with Tesla selling at 99.72 times net income per share, the company's value appears to be relatively high when considering earnings multiples. For additional content on Tesla stocks, subscribe to our channel and view our other videos.